Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Giselle. If you're joining me for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning back. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to achieve this cut crease eye look. So I really hope that you enjoy. I'll take you step by step. This is actually part of my basic makeup technique segment that I've been doing for you guys to just learn different techniques. So I really hope that this one is useful in terms of achieving a cut crease. So yeah, let's get started with today's video. So guys, you are going to need some concealer for this tutorial. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in with a flat brush and some concealer just to carve out any sort of darkness on the eyelid, just getting it ready for the eye makeup. By the way, I am using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this one is the high definition in the shade Pure Beige, which is the concealer shade that I always use. And all I'm just doing is taking that and applying it to my eyelids, and this is just to carve out any sort of darkness. So once you apply the concealer, you blend that out, you set it up with some translucent powder, and then now we're going to actually move into the eyes. So what we're going to be using is a brown sugar and 100% cocoa, and I'm using the palette Patricia from Makeup Revolution. It's called the Rich in Life palette. So I'm going to be using those two shades and going in with a fluffy brush into my crease. You want to start off with your crease because that's going to be important to start that up first before going in to cut the crease. The reason why you want to apply these colors is because they just complement your crease, and they're just good to use as a transition color. So hence why we're using these. And because it's a beginner friendly, I just thought that it's much more easier if we start off with neutral colors, and then on another video I can show you how to do a cut crease with more colorful colors. So all I'm just doing, guys, is just blending out that eyeshadow into my crease, and then just taking it to the outer part of my eye and blending it out in there as well. Really take your time with blending out the eyeshadows to create a nice smooth look, and also just to build up the colors as well. Just take your time with blending out. Just like that. And then what I'm going to do is apply the same eyeshadow colors onto this eye, and then move on to cutting the crease. So guys, for the cutting of the crease, I've just applied some concealer on a flat brush like that, and then all we're going to do is we're going to just work our way from just the beginning of the lid. So you basically want to go a little bit above your eyelid. So my eyelid literally ends there normally. So it normally ends there. So what you want to do is to bring the product a bit up there, just slightly a little bit above, because that's going to create the crease and it's going to make the eyes basically appear bigger, which is essentially what cutting off the crease is. So you literally just move that product. I normally just like to do a half cut crease because it just looks nice on my eyes, but some people like to take it all the way to the end of their eyelid area, but I just think it looks better halfway for my eyes. So that's all I'm just doing, and then just patting in that product. So guys, after that we are going to set our cut crease with some translucent powder. So guys, I have done this one off camera. I just cut the crease, and this is what we were left with when we finished cutting the crease. Now what I'm going to do is take the same eyeshadows that we've already applied before as the transition, and I'm just going to go over that area just to tie things in together and just smoothen out those edges, because right now you can tell where we've just cut the crease, and yeah, it's not very cute, to be fair. So we're just going to take those shadows and just blend those up in to where the crease is, just at the top, not anywhere surrounding where the concealer is. It's just around it. Then for the main color into that crease is the Natural Glam, and it's just this matte beigey sort of color, and it's just a simple color just to place into where we have cut our crease, and the contrast just looks nice between the lighter color and the darker color, hence why cut creases are the best to do, because you can sort of have a nice contrasted eye makeup, and you can do them with any sort of colors, to be honest with you. I've seen a few that are like just so pretty with different colors, but I like to just do neutral, because yeah, I just think when applying too many other colors that are too strong, it can just lose its focus, and yeah, it can just be a bit too intimidating as well. So I just like my neutral colors when it comes to this. And then now what I'm just doing is getting a big fluffy brush and just blending that shadow just on the edges of the top there, just to remove any sort of lines or anything that's just not, you know, looking together. With another fluffy brush, guys, I'm gonna go in with this shade here called Jet Setter. It is a nice deep brown, and just going to apply that onto the edges of this eye makeup just to smoke it out ever so slightly. guys, to line up the eyes and just bring them together, I'm using my Collection 2000 liner, and all I'm just doing is I'm just going to line this eyeshadow. I'm not doing a wing eye, this is just towards the end of the eyelid area. That's just where I'm going to take it. So guys, after lining, we are going to move on to applying mascara. I'm using this Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced, and I'm just applying that on my lashes, my top lashes, just like that. Guys, just for the lower lash eyes, I'm just taking the shade Brown Sugar and Cocoa that we used earlier on our crease as a crease color, and I'm just applying that to my just lower lashes and just blending that eyeshadow into that area. This is just to bring out the eyes a bit more and just to complete everything as well. I think it just looks way better on my eyes when I line and blend out any shadows that I've used onto my lower lashes. I just think it extends them and makes them look even more bigger. I'm now going to apply these lashes off camera to finish off the eye makeup. So guys, this is the finished cut crease eye makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope that it was easy to understand, and I hope that I explained it well. If you do want me to do more videos on a cut crease using different colors, then do leave your suggestions and all of your feedback in the comment section below. I'll list all the products that I use in the description box below. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. Bye.